and welcome to addition and subtraction balancing test. So let me just show you how we can work out these questions in front of us. So there's a long question that says there's a black box and it says minus 110 equals to 2,534 plus 135. So we just need to determine that there are two equations here. So we have the equal sign in the middle. That means there are two equations, one on the left and one on the right, and they both have to balance. Now, first of all, let's do 2,534 add 135. Let's find out the answer for this first of all. So 5 add 4 is 9, 3 add 3 is 9, 3 add 3 is 6, sorry. 5 add 1 is 6, and then we have 2 by itself. So the answer here is 2,669. So let's just write this down here, 2,669. Now we need to balance a number when we minus 110 from the number, that will also give us 2,669. So because this is a balance, a minus number, the opposite of minus is addition. So let's just do 2,669 add 110, and then we can balance it out. So 9 add 0 is 9, 6 add 1 is 7, 6 add 1 is 7, and then we have 2. So the answer is going to be 2,779 minus 110 will also give us 2,669 on the left-hand side. So can you see these two equations balancing here? So in this case, our answer that we're going to select is option A. So you have to do something very similar for the follow-up questions as you go along. Just make sure you balance the equation. That means you have to do a lot of addition and subtraction, working out to come across with your answer. All right. So good luck with this, and we will see you in the next class, whereby we'll go through all the questions and the answers together. Thank you.